Okay, so today we've come to the Winsford Hill area of Exmoor National Park. What a changeable mixed bag of weather we've had recently, temperature-wise. Warm summer or warm spring sunshine a couple of weeks ago, and this week it's been like winter again. Anyway, so yeah, mixed bag of weather, but at the moment the sun is shining. It is cold-ish, and there's a few clouds around, but hopefully it's going to be a nice day. So we've come up here, and we're going to do only about 10-11 mile circuit, but yeah, hopefully it should be good. Anyway, let's see how we get on. Yeah, so this part of Exmoor has got lots of these hawthorn trees, and it's amazing how because these aren't bushes, these are trees, and hawthorn trees can get pretty big. It's amazing how they've adapted, because obviously in the winter it can get pretty harsh up here and the wind blows through. But what also amazes me about hawthorns, they really are nature's barbed wire. I mean, if you've got to try and get through like a thick, dense crop of these points really are uncomfortable. And look at all the lichen on this one. And these like bearded bits. I'm no expert on anything really, but yeah, particularly lichen. And I understand the lichen is that it likes growing in areas which have got really clean air. So I mean, this is a great sign. See, my fleece got caught on some thorns then. Yeah, nature's barbed wire, fantastic. Yeah, so we're just walking along and looked across into this field, and if I zoom in, there's a small herd of red deer just lying down. I think there's 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. Some still photos as well, but that's typical of deer, that is. So you've got these woods where they can shelter, take cover, and then come out in the sun when it starts shining again. Yeah, lovely. Anyway, I better move on. Okay, so we're kind of at the bottom of Winsford Hill, I suppose. We walked through Winsford, had a bit of lunch there. Behind me is a bit of Winsford called the Punch Bowl. You might be able to see why. It's sort of like a bowl shape. Anyway, yeah, so once we get to the top of that, that's near the top of Winsford Hill. So yeah, I'll see you up there. Okay, so at the top of Winsford Hill, I think this is 428 above sea level. That way's facing east, so I'm going to swing round. Some view up here. That's north now, so that's Dunkery Beacon over there. That's the highest point in Exmoor. Keep swinging around. So to the west. There's a trig point just there. I don't know if the camera will pick this out. I might zoom in a bit, it might. So the hills behind that van, through the sunbeams. That's Exmoor National Park, and those wind turbines there are on No Stone Moor, just by it where I spend quite a bit of time. So yeah, it's quite a big views you get up here. Anyway, we're pressing on. So this is Tarsteps. It's a Bronze Age bridge, so it's pretty old. Now this river, it's the River Barle, and looks very calm and tranquil today. But the River Barle can flood, and there's some sieves further upstream to try and catch debris before it hits this bridge. But unfortunately at times this bridge does get washed away, and each of these rocks is actually marked, so they can recover the rocks and put them back together exactly as they were originally. So yeah, Tarsteps. I don't know, I suppose you could call this quite characteristic of Exmoor. You've got the moorland, and dotted in between, I mean, it's quite substantial bits of moorland. You've got like fields where agriculture's sort of taken over. And yeah, if you look at photos or paintings, particularly of Exmoor, a lot of artists sort of capture this sort of patchwork in between the wilds of the moors. Yeah, it's you know, it's the sort of place you could be dropped in without being told where you are, and you could tell just by the way the landscape is. Anyway, I'm nearly back now, so bit more climbing and we're back. Okay, so we're just about back. So that's 11 miles. That's been a really nice circular walk actually. Kind of around the base of Winsford Hill. Temperature. Hot, cold, hat on, hat off, gilet on, or as I prefer calling them, body warmer on, body warmer off. Yeah, real fluctuations in temperature. It's funny actually, it has been cold really, but it looks like spring up here. You know, all the signs are there. And I reckon the next southerly wind, the next decent southerly wind, we get cuckoos up here. And swallows. But yeah, I think the next strong southerly push, that's going to bring all those birds back. So yeah, hopefully the next time we come up here, we'll get to hear some cuckoos. Anyway, yeah, that's been a great walk, and yeah, I've really enjoyed it actually. Anyway, that's me signing off.